Here's the latest button box that we're working on. This one glows yellow. Doing a little testing, and it looks like the key switch is on the on position, but it's actually not. For some reason, this key switch is backwards. So once we turn it, see, nothing on. Then we turn it to the left, and it's on. And then we have this. Then we have these. These are new. I've never done these before. They are not straight. I actually had to cut the holes for these with a Dremel, but they do light up. And there they are. Here, we'll turn the key switch off. We got all three of these push buttons here. And then we have these things. To be honest, I do not like these toggles because if we... Here, let's see if I can get a better shot of this. If we flip it on, you see it came on that time. Flip it back off. I flipped it on again, and it ain't doing nothing. It's not registering. So you have to just barely wiggle it. And damn near every one of these is like that, and I imagine they're like that until they get broken in. That one's on. Same story there. You gotta flip it up and then barely press down on it. Now that one's not having it either way. There it is. And that's it, completely lit up. This one I was building to sell, and I probably still will sell it, but it will be a lot cheaper than what I was going to sell these at, because this is more of a test model, I guess what you would call it, trying out this new thing here, which these are working. The toggles, though, I'm not very happy with them. I do love the way they're only 2-wire, but they light up only when they're on, unlike all the other ones that I've built with that stay on all the time. These only light up when they're turned on. These stay on all the time, of course. And then this is your activation button, I guess is what you would call it, or well, that's what I call it because I use it like that for Euro Truck Simulator or American Truck Simulator. But yeah, now I just got to print the box, and we'll put this thing for sale and see if anybody wants this test model, because I don't think I'll be doing these again, even though it did turn out good and they do function. And I don't think I'll be using this brand of toggles again. Let's see if it'll come on just flipping it. Oh, it came on that time. A little bit of a delay. That one's not wanting to do anything. Yeah, you gotta wiggle it a little bit. Let's get it to come on. Yeah, gotta wiggle that one. And wiggle that one. I will actually play the game with this before I sell it. Because I may end up playing it and realize, okay, this shit ain't working. And then not sell it at all. Here, let me show you how this thing's all put together. Because yes, I was planning on selling these that I build, but I full disclosure, I will show you how to make these things. I do the videos to show you how to make these things so you could do it yourself, but it is fairly time consuming. Um, just these little push buttons here have 4 wires coming out of each one of them. And see, these are these toggles that I'm having problems with. They have another prong there, but you don't use it for this. You would use it like if you were installing it in a car or something like that. This is the key switch. It's actually for like a motorcycle or something. And then these are the big, I don't know what you call those kind of switches, but yeah, the big things on the bottom. And you can actually take this top wire here and move it to the other side. I think that was the way it was done, and the light would stay on all the time. Or no, it's if you take the yellow wire and move it up one, the light stays on all the time. But yeah, now I gotta print a box.